Toxic fox. What are you talking about, Petru? What are you onto today? Well guys, this is my new theme. In case you didn't see it in the last 2 videos, I think I used it. This is my new theme in Blender. I grew bored of the gray one and I wanted to try something different. And there it is. If you would like to install it, this is how you can do it too. You can go here to get extensions in Blender, in the settings, in preferences, and then you choose here themes, and you will find many themes here. You can search here toxic and you will find it here. You just add it here, you install it, and then you will find it in themes. From here you can choose. You can see that I have more themes here, but actually not so many, just Toxic Fox and the default ones, right? So what's the difference? Well, this is the default one, the dark. This was the one that I was using most of the time. So I decided it's time for a change. To be honest, there are some things that I'm not crazy about in this one, but yeah, it's good, it looks good. It reminds me of Winamp, the music player that I used to use many years ago when I was studying, yeah, even before that, on my first computer. So that's it, that's how you get it. What I don't like, there is only one thing so far that I don't like. I didn't use it for too long, like it's been just I think 2 weeks since I started to use it, or 3, something like that. The only thing that I don't like is here at the top. I don't like this bar, how it looks. It's too gray, like especially this one, the project overview. It's really not looking good at all. But other than that, it's quite okay. The other icons are looking better with the green one, but this one is gray and it doesn't, or I think maybe it has some colors, I'm not sure, but it doesn't look so well. But it's fine, I can live with that. It's the only thing that I don't like so far. And yeah, that's it. That's the update for today. I'm curious to hear what do you think about this. Do you like it? And which is your favorite theme in Blender? I would love to hear from you, so write a comment below and tell me which theme do you prefer. Is it, did you settle for the default ones, or did you make your own, or have you installed one from the most popular ones? I'd love to hear your thoughts, my friends, and until then, I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Cheers!